welcome back to this channel. So today we're going to be showing you how to make Doh Softer. And the main things we need to use is a microwave and a fridge.
We'll just show you it.
Okay, and if you don't have these things, unfortunately
you can't make Doh Softer.
Exactly. But I'm hoping that you all have something. You obviously do have a microwave and a fridge. You can't.
It's your everyday life.
It's part of your everyday life, basically.
Yeah.
So without further ado, let's get started.
Right, so we're going to put it in the microwave, and so just put it on for like 20 seconds if we bring 2 Play-Dohs at a time. So we're just going to do it, so we're just going to do something.
So you put it in for 20 seconds and we'll see you when it's done. I'll advise you to wear gloves for this because it's extremely
hot.
Exactly. And we nearly burned ourselves because we forgot to wear gloves. Or anything, like even if you get like a tissue on top of you and just take it out, it's better.
At least you have something on top of you to protect from the heat.
But we know because we've done it like a lot of times now.
Yeah, but it is very hot. Be careful.